there is a simple way that literally stubborn about on the internet where you can literally click and earn free Bitcoin. So right here in this particular tutorial, I will literally let you know step by step on how you can do all this, so that you can just click once and then earn BTC, which is Bitcoin, just for free. And take a look at this particular Bitcoin price right here. Bitcoin price is this particular amount. Okay, so at this particular place, you just have to go ahead and make use of this particular app right here. So this specific app right now will enable you to place one click and then earn Bitcoin. So now let me just go ahead and guide you through step by step on how you can do all this. Just go ahead and click on this particular app right here. You will get it on Google Play Store right now. Okay, so here is it right here on Google Play Store. This is the name of the specific app right here on Google Play Store. Go ahead and install the app on your phone. Before then, you can just go ahead and read through all the reviews right here, so that this particular review will enable you to install it to your phone or not, because there are a lot of review available right here. So this is how the main interface of this particular app looks like. Take a look at it right here. You just have to install exactly the same app. So let's just go straight into the particular app so that I can show you everything in deep. So you just have to go ahead and click on accept, then just go ahead and enter your name right here. So put in your age right here. So if you are in this place, click on this particular place right here, and then you also see click on it, you will be seeing it, everything will be counting right here. So the more you click on it, the more you initially earn. Okay, so click on it more faster and faster. You'll be earning money right here just as it is. So now let me just go ahead and check out this upgrade right here. As you can see, it is saying upgrade. Click on upgrade so that you can literally see how the upgrade is. This upgrade right here is 10 times faster right here. Just go straight and also click on it right here. You now see that everything is now 10 times faster right now. So if you decide to cash out or literally withdraw your money from this particular app, go ahead and click on cash out right here. So you will see it right now where it says cash out. Click on the cash out and it will say the minimum Bitcoin is 0.001 BTC. So this particular Bitcoin right here have not even getting to the minimum payout right here on this app. So you just have to keep on clicking on this particular place so that you can earn more Bitcoin right here just by clicks. Okay, so earn more just by click right here is very easy and simple. Make sure you click on it time to time, and at the end of the day you go ahead and click on cash out. So you just go ahead and provide all the amount, you click on cash out right here. If the minimum amount have reached just as it is right here as the minimum amount of BTC to withdraw, you will be able to put in your wallet address, which is your Bitcoin wallet address, and at the end of the day you withdraw the money straight to your wallet. Okay, so listen and listen carefully right here. This particular tutorial is just for educational purpose, not a financial advice. I'm not advising you to put in money right here or invest in this app right here. Okay, so I'm not responsible for your losses or your profits right here while you literally download this app and following this process. Okay, I'm not in any way affiliated to this particular app or in any way collaborating with this particular app, and don't literally own the app. I just found the app on Google Play Store, so I'm just trying it out right here. So I'll be clicking on this time to time so that I can get to the minimum amount of cash out. So if I get into the minimum amount for cash out, I will literally come straight to this particular YouTube channel and also drop the video on how I cash out the particular money I earn right here. So you just have to subscribe to the YouTube channel so that anytime I drop new video, you'll be the first person to be notified, because I'll be creating another video on how I literally cash out money from this particular app. So I will see you in my next video right here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video to your loved ones right here.